Meet Alex, a cloud admin at Contoso Health. He's ready to migrate his company's applications to Azure, but needs guidance to plan migrations. To begin his exploration on Azure, he navigates to the migration agent, the conversational assistant, to guide through the migration journey. To get started, migration agent requests Alex to select existing project or create new. Alex proceeds with creating new project by selecting the Azure Subscription Resource Group and Geography. After creating the project, Alex states his goal to migrate quickly from on-premises VMware to Azure. The agent guides Alex through discovering his on-premises infrastructure and introduces 3 possible discovery methods. After reading through the descriptions, Alex decides to proceed with the appliance-based discovery method. The agent responds with a comprehensive list of prerequisites that are needed, and Alex realizes that he meets almost all of the requirements. He wants to proceed with the deployment. He proceeds with providing the name for Appliance. The agent generates the project key that is required for registering the project and provides the download link for the appliance. Alex asks for steps for appliance deployments. The agent provides the detailed list of steps for appliance deployment. Alex proceeds to follow the steps to deploy the appliance and completes the discovery.